1 year from now, you probably don't want to be in the same position you're in if you're currently experiencing a challenge or a mental and emotional difficulty like anxiety or fear, or if you're feeling frustrated in your life and you're desiring change. You most likely do not want to be in exactly the same position, and definitely not worse, 12 months from now. Now, the reality is you probably don't want to be in the same position 6 months from now, or even 3 months from now. But unfortunately, for a lot of people, if they don't take action, if they don't think and they don't progress, they will stay in the same situation and they won't realize that the time has gone by. The time is there with the opportunity to make changes, to make improvements, but only for those people that choose to take accountability. So if you are finding that you're in a position that you don't like, or if you've got a goal that you want to work towards, or there's something that you want to transform, if that's where you're thinking and feeling, but you haven't started, or you're procrastinating, or you're lacking in motivation, consider for yourself, what do you need to do? What actions specifically do you need to take over the next 7 days? Over the next 2 weeks, how do you need to think? What do you need to do, and how do you need to use your time so that you make improvements, so that you progress, so that you move closer and closer to the reality that you desire and further away from this stuck situation? The way you apply yourself in the way that you think, and the way that you apply yourself in how you use your time and how you behave, will move you closer to the reality that you want. You can change and transform any situation in your life if you plan, take action, and stay accountable. Think about it. Go back over the questions so that you can get a strategy, you can think it through, you can get a plan. And watch, your life will change if you stay accountable and if you take action. I hope you found this coaching video helpful and insightful. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.